when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. Yes. May 23, ICAI came up with one of the most difficult set of papers for Group 1. And look at what students have done. They have proven wrong every single such person who thinks that audit subject is not scoring. It is. You need willingness. And you know what? May 23 was all about success stories, motivating stories. I'll tell you why. Because in May 20, we did not have inter CA attempt, all right, because of COVID lockdown situations. So May 23 was either people from November 22 who could not make it over there, giving exams in May 23, or a few students here and there at CA final level, all right, where they were not able to attempt November 22 because of some technical reasons, all right. So we had such bunch of students in May 23, and look at what they have done. Even in the toughest paper of audit, all right, they came up with flying colors. So these are the list of exemptions. There are many more, scores, marks that we are compiling. This is just an update after the 24 hours of the results, all right. But I really want to share some motivating, inspirational stories with you. Right? Like, I cannot disclose all the details of all the students, all right, all the technical details and stuff. But look at this. There is one student. I had circulated a Google form, all right. So these are the results from Google form. One student has scored exemption in audit but could not clear Group 1. What does that indicate? Yes, that audit is scoring. I really pray for that student that the student will clear Group 1 someday, all right. But audit subject is done and dusted. So in the toughest paper, this person comes out with flying colors. Then we have students who have 65 marks in audit, all right. Few students who have 65 marks in audit. But that is highest in audit. That is highest across all 4 subjects. You want to see that? Let's see one result. Look at this. Audit has helped this person to clear this group. Alright. In fact, I can show you many such results where audit is helping students to clear it out. Yes. Look at this. Please do not breach the confidentiality of the student. But look at this, 65 in audit, 55, 54, 60, 56 FR, SFM, and then 44 law. But audit has helped this student to clear out. I respect these students who are setting an example for everyone. All right, that audit is scoring. And you want to know how many lives we impacted? Passing ratio is very good, much higher than what ICAI has given. All right, for audit subject of my students. Right? But you know how many lives we have impacted? Look at this. These are all students who cleared, maybe at 40, maybe at 45, maybe at 55. All right. And look at this one great success story. All right. Of course, I will not disclose the name of the student. All right. But I have all the data, mark sheet and everything. December 21, 32, May 22, 38, November 22, 39, and May 23, 64. Now that's what I call a great comeback. All right. And I cannot control my emotions over here. This is great. This is great. All right. And such great feedbacks we have received from the students, but this is not for marketing. This is for you to understand. All right. Then audit subject is scoring. Look at this, from 24 to 56. All right. This Google form and iPad is not syncing. All right. Because of Apple and Google problems. But look at this, 24 to 56. All right. Now this is great. Okay. And this also, this again was number 65 marks, highest in across all the 4 subjects. I think you should see this particular mark sheet. Look at this, 65 in audit, 220 total, highest in group 1, and the person has cleared. All right, full respect to you guys, full respect to you. All right, you have my complete respect. So students, what I'm trying to tell you is, right, that boss, if you have the willingness, all right, it is perfectly possible to crack it. It is perfectly possible to crack it. All right. If you go through all the feedbacks, all right, it is great. It also helps me to understand that I'm on right track. Although if, I've also encouraged students to criticize me, all right, so that I'll come to know where I'm supposed to improve even after 10 years of coaching. But I always like to stay grounded with the student. I mean, students have just poured their hearts out. After 2 years of struggle, they have cleared. In the 4th attempt, 5th attempt, they have cleared. All right, this is all great. From 34 to 63, from 35 to 53, all right. And this is great. After 15 years of marriage and after having kids, I can understand the pressure on this person. All right. And the person has cleared with 40. Great. But this was the subject that was stopping this person to clear. So no matter in whichever age group you are, no matter in whichever position you are, all right, you can always make it. All right. It is possible. Okay. You don't want to enroll for my courses, it's okay. Wherever you're studying, but keep studying. All right. Do not quit. And you can always join our Telegram group, YouTube channels for free revision, free resources. And if you want to enroll, then the details are there in the description. But this video is not for all of that. All right. That you can always find out and enroll. But if you really want to give it a shot, then I'm with you. Do not worry about it. All right. If you are my past student who could not clear, you know my team is already reaching out to you. All right. If you are not my past student, but you still could not clear, you can get in touch with us. We can always help you. All the very best. All the very best. And thank you so much to all of these students. All right. Who have proven time and again that it is doable. See, I am teaching only audit subjects. So yes, there have been rank holders and stuff, but I don't want to do blah, 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 blah about rank holders. I have full respect for them. All right. And I can understand what a proud moment it is for them. But for me, it is about how students have performed in audit subject. And I'm so happy that in one of the tough papers, all right, and especially in May 23, students came out with flying colors. And for the students who could not make it, I'm there for you. All right. I may be a little late in getting in touch with you because thousands and thousands of students are contacting me. All right. But I'm there for you. Okay. All the very best. All the very best. Thank you so much.